Welcome to the December walking tour. Last month we made major progress. This past month, now in December, despite the delays, I would like to say there is progress still happening, and you're going to be surprised when you get inside the building and we're going to take some virtual tours of the downstairs area and the upstairs area. And you will be surprised that there's a lot of great progress, and we can start envisioning when we're going to be able to be in the building. However, it is delayed, but we're going to be in sooner than you think. You can see we have glass going up. Things are being cleaned up here in the front. However, we will be digging up this dirt area very soon for some storm drain lines, which will be happening very soon. But let's go ahead and start our tour. We're on Scioto Street. You can see the sidewalk has been widened, and that's the sidewalk that's going to lead people into the new front entryway to the performing arts. So there's a lot of new things to look at as you walk into the entryway to the performing arts. Just take a scan. And now we're going to take a virtual tour of the entire downstairs area. Ready? Although there have been some delays, we are excited that the high school upstairs is really coming along. So now we're going to take a virtual tour of the upstairs. So I hope you enjoyed the virtual tour throughout the building. As you can see, many things have been completed and we're getting very close. We did feel that we were going to be done before Christmas break. Unfortunately, that did not happen. So just so you know, myself, the school board, we've been pushing hard. There's some things that I can't explain to the public at this time, but we are pushing and we're going to get it done as quickly as possible. If you have a time or if you want to come by anytime, I encourage you to walk through. If you're able to walk through, you're going to see some great progress, and I think you will be excited when you get in and you can look at the space and in the performing arts and in the classrooms. We're much closer than a lot of people realize as you drive by the highway. Until next time, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.